Tick-a-tick-a-tock, my golden name. Tick-a-tick-a-tock, my golden name. She lay next for the gentleman. Sometime 9 and sometime 10. Oh, and whenever she lay, she make an alarm. Cock, 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 me lay, oh. Lay, oh, whoa. Lay, oh, whoa, whoa. Searching for morning from a golden hen. Got a little girl at my home. She wake up this morning. She didn't eat no breakfast, no. She wake up this morning, she no eat no breakfast. She leave out my home and she faint in the path. She give my neighborhood a lots of remarks, lots of remarks. She give them lots of remarks, lots of remarks. It was not my fault when she faint in the path. Lord God knows. Hey, little
Wayne, now. Stop a little, look a little, think a little. Don't be a fool, don't be a no way. I made some bad mistakes, and I've had some victories. So from experience, your tricks ain't new to me. I've been down that road before, and God knows I know the score. That's for sure. Nothing you do to me will never ever make me want you more. Girl, you know I've been around the world, the four corners of the world. So I think it's time I let you know. It's about time I let you know. You're a fool if you think you're fooling me. You're a fool if you think you're schooling me. You're a fool if you think I can be tricked. You're a fool if you think you are that slick. You're a fool if you think I'm all alone. You're a fool if you think I want you home. You're a fool if you think you are the one. You're a fool if you think I'm not that strong.
Why do you Allah? Somebody seen your face, Johnny Dollar. Lady, why do you Allah? Somebody seen your face, Johnny Dollar. I can't get no sleep in this noisy room. I've got to move. You got to find me a quiet place. There's a man next door with a radio. Words of wisdom going through the mind, flowing through my mind. Words of wisdom. Are you sure you wanna be a gunman on the run? Are you sure that tonight you wanna pick up your gun? Tell me, do you wanna be in the devil's army? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? And are you sure you can do time? That's what you get if you're gonna do crime. So just before you cross the line, tell me, are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure who's gonna be next? It could be you from the way you are flex. So many people you make get vexed. Tell me, are you sure? Words of wisdom from my mouth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got to love each other from the heart. Sharing and caring is what God gave to us. We've got to love each other from the heart. Sharing and caring is what God gave to us. Oh yeah. Every time I listen to news, another crime has happened. Is it a fun thing or a game? Another victim of the gun war, slain wonder why. Oh, mama bikini cry, they teach us to die. Oh, I wonder why. The greedy woulda never satisfy. Yeah, they teach us to die. Oh, I wonder why. Oh, mama bikini cry, they teach us to die. Oh, I wonder why. The greedy woulda never satisfy. Because them in them twilight. You so tired and beat. You can't say I me no sing song for freak. No put me on your flip side. Still I see I do it and furthermore me no bow down to liar than thieves. So my yes. Only the love, only the love. Some are run down the gun thing and the bling thing, living a corner life. Bigger heads, they promote it and they support it, and that's not right. Taking the people for a joyride. On the flip side, that's why they collide. But they should look to Rastafari and let him be their guide. I say nothing lasts forever but your love. Everything else I go disappear. Nothing lasts forever but your love. So be careful what you're doing out there. Nothing lasts forever but your love. Nothing lasts forever but your love, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, baby. Ooh, baby, yeah. Oh. Baby, as silly as this may sound to you, there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. I love you. Yeah, baby. Ooh, baby, yeah. Oh. Baby, as silly as this may sound to you, there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. I love you, and I want for us to be together. Baby, there might be others that you see. Why do you need to be with me? I love you and I need you and my own. Ooh, baby, don't you realize what you mean to me? Can't you even see what you do to me? Tell me now, tell me. Am I good to go or you just don't know? Ooh, baby, baby, don't you see that you're moving me? Can't you really tell what you do to me? You're breaking me, you're shaking me, you're all over me. Oh, baby, yeah, yeah. What you do to me, yeah. No. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. I know that I stayed, and maybe I shouldn't be so into you. It's just that tonight I am so taken, I'm falling for you. When I look in your eyes, I can see a million possibilities, and I know you'll be leaving me soon, but tonight, oh baby, come a little bit closer, let me hold you, baby. I will be good to you, and we can try. Meditation to another level. No time together. We never worship the devil. Conferences. Oh, I wanna take your places that you never been before. I wanna show you things that you never seen before. I wanna give you loving that you never got before. Keep you crying out for more. I will never let you pour out sore. I will never let you feel insecure. I will always be there to open and close the door. Sweet love in the morning and love in the evening and love in at night. You hold me right, squeeze me tight, yeah. Love in the morning and love in the evening and days are lonely without you. My nights are cold without you. Hey, since I've been away, everything have changed. Nothing seems to be the same. I need you in my life, baby, night and day. Please don't go away. This relationship, please nobody rock it. I need you in my heart, princess, nobody stop it. Jaja don't send it, me know him bless it. Oh princess, I need you to get.
No need to burst your bubble or put yourself in a lot of trouble. Just bring it up to me, sweetly in a jiffy. Other than lips sweet as wine and roses, with heart cold as ice. Let me love you for the right reasons and keep you satisfied. Speaking to you softly with words of true love and caring. It's a honor and a pleasure to do that to you, my dear. Oh yeah, I can be your soulmate, and I no need to burst your bubble or put yourself in a lot of trouble. Just bring it up to me, sweetly in a jiffy. Other than lips sweet as wine and roses, with heart cold as ice. Let me love you for the right reasons and keep you satisfied. Speaking to you softly with words of true love and caring. It's a honor and a pleasure to do that to you, my dear. Oh yeah, I can be your soulmate and all of that. Bring your love to me, girl. You'll never go back. I can be your soulmate and all of that. Just bring your love to me. You'll never go back. To love and work for you and me, the full joy, the good life we live. It's a privilege and my will to take you to the top of the hill, make you the queen of my palace. No more to be treated cold as ice. But
where did we go wrong? Oh, mankind, it's heading to destruction. In the beginning when Jah created man to have dominion over all creation. Tell me mankind, where did we go wrong? Now we're heading for destruction. All the senseless killings that are do not right. This riotous living in the Father's sight. Come along my people, let us all unite. Let's give thanks for this gift of life. This is a warning to all my brethren and sisters. Listen to the messenger chanting. The Almighty God is not sleeping. This is a warning to all my brethren and sisters. This is the Kabbalah man chanting. The Almighty God is not sleeping. Oh, where did we go wrong? Where did we go wrong? Mankind, Lord. For every wrong man that's done under the sun, there's a just reward from the Holy One, God of Jacob and Abraham, rock of our salvation. There be no escape from the whip. Satan go down to the bottomless pit. With every word that comes from my lip, judgment come quick. This is a warning to all my brethren and sisters. This is the messenger chanting. The Almighty God is not sleeping. This is our.
Cause every day the girls dress up in her trousers. I say what happened to your skirts and blouses? Why can't I man see you in your dresses? Cause these things unto Jah and pleases. And every day them a worshiping vanities. And your greatest lust is jewelries. Mind Jah lick you with diseases. Hey, mind Jah lick you with diseases. Why the most dangerous diseases. I said the most dangerous diseases. I'm talking like the elephantitis. The other one is the polymyelitis. Arthritis and the one diabetes. You see, cause every day that I turn the Bible pages, from Proverbs forward to Genesis, from Revelation to Ecclesiastes. But let me tell you, say my wisdom increases. And and the loss of the world it decreases. While every day man a build explosives, the corruption of the world it exposes. Mind jolly cure with diseases.